Today on Stupid Fast RC, we're looking at the HSP 94123 1/10th scale drift car. Hey, look mum, no duct tape on the wheels. Drives like a flying fish. Don't really know why I said that. Anyway, it's from our good mates at Gearbest. Gearbest, they've got some real good stuff. And that's going to be stuck in your head all day. These are not the droids you were looking for. Move along now, Stormtrooper.
Hi, I'm Tom from Stupid Fast RC, and today we're going to be unboxing the high-speed drift car Flying Fish from Gearbest. Okay, I've unboxed it, and this is what you get in the box. You get obviously the car and the body, a charger, 4 pins, and a LiPo battery. Now we're going to go drive it.
Well, this is the first real drift car we'd ever had. We actually had put duct tape on wheels of other RC cars we'd had before, and of course that was a bit of a joke. But the thing we found about this was it was much more difficult than it looked. As you can see here, we really wanted to get this right, but we all had a go at it, and was our first go, to be fair. And we really struggled with it. The stuff that you see guys doing with drift car racing, it's a lot harder than it looks, but it's a lot of fun. It's a huge amount of fun. We absolutely loved it. It's just something completely different to what we've been doing, and it was awesome. We eventually did find a game that we kind of enjoyed, and that was 10-pin bowling with a drift car. We set up 10 cones and just drove the car straight into it as best we could. Great fun. Have a look, check it out. This is a great little car and a lot of fun.
Okay, that was the drift car. It looks awesome. It drifts really well. It's really fast for a drift car. I thought, because drift cars are really slippery, I thought it wouldn't go that fast. And it's just awesome and smooth. Ready?
I really liked it. I also like how you can do 360s with it, and I just held the throttle down and it just kept doing the 360s.
Okay, that was the drift car and what we thought about it. Now you can tell us what you thought about it, and don't forget to subscribe and leave a like.